our messages. Okay. I'm Jobel from Mindoro. Oh, okay, guys. Ang dami kong gusto sabihin. By the way, para lang alam niyo na talagang nag-i-invest ako into honing my craft and talent as a dancer, bilang alam kong maraming tumitingala sa inyo sa akin pagdating sa pagsasayaw, bumili kami ng tinatawag na Kinect. Yung sa Xbox. Yung, di ba yung Wii, meron siyang sing and then may sensor na ganon. Yung Kinect, wala kang hawakan na sing. Yung katawan mo, yun na yung mag-games. So, pwede ko turuan ka nila ng mga dance moves, mga ganyan. So, talagang nag-invest ako in honing my main talent, which is dancing. Okay. Sabi ni Jobel, I'm Jobel from Mindoro. Idol na idol talaga kita. At para sa akin, ikaw ang pinakamagandang DJ. Thank you so much! Hindi mo yung maganda eh. Pakikamusta mo naman ako kay Sarah G. Actually, nga, hindi ko pa nakikita si Sarah G. I miss Sarah G. At hi nga pala sa mga classmates ko sa Eastern Mindoro Institute of Technology and Sciences or EMITS for short. Alright, sa mga taga-EMITS, hi daw, sabi ni Jovel. Sabi naman ni Raylene. Oh my God, kanina niya si VJ Iya. Raylene? Tama. Hi, Ate Nix. It's me, Raylene from Calapan City. Uber ganda ng song niya ni Billy na You Are My Life. Pinakinggan ko din yung French version niya na Say Goodbye, kaso di ko maintindihan. Huwag kang mag-alala, hindi ka nag-iisa. Ako rin hindi ko rin siya naintindihan. More power to Mix and God bless. Yes, okay. Actually, kaya ako nakuha yung idea ng You Are My Life because I saw that video. Nung inaano ko siya, nung nire-research ko si Billy, inaanap ko ng mga criminal records. Nung nag-umpisa pa lang kami. So, syempre, ginugoogle ko siya kung ano, mga background nito. Yes. I chanced upon that video. It's called Say Goodbye, and he was singing it with his ex-girlfriend. Her name's Lori. And I really like the song. In fairness, kahit crush ko na siya nun, kinilig pa rin ako dun sa video na yun. Kasi nag-kiss sila after. Pero ngayon iniisip ko siya, parang hindi na ako natutuwa. No, but I really liked the song. I thought it was a really sweet duet. So sabi ko, if you haven't published the song yet, or hindi pa naman siya lumabas ng album, why don't we do it? Like, write an English translation to it, and then let's sing it on my album. Tapos sabi niya, no, kasi sayang naman yung song. So that's how You Are My Life came to life. Yun. Share ko lang. So anyway, Jovel and Raylene, thank you very much for texting, and to everyone who sent in their text messages, greeting me a Happy New Year right back at you guys. And if you guys want to get in touch with me, all you have to do is type in mixed-space, DJ and keep your messaging name and send that to 22366. Anyway, here's Girl Generation, which tries to number 5 with Whoop!